bad times can make you better? Toastmaster Ravi Bhaskaran, contestant number 5.
Master, fellow Toastmasters. Earlier in my prepared speech I had spoken about bad times. Yes, I fully agree with the topic. Bad times will make you a better person. I can only start by talking about myself as a person. Because when you start talking about bad times, in general, they can be never ending. There are too many bad things going on around us. Everyone has bad times. But I'd like to specify what happened to me as a very young man, at about 16 years old, when I suddenly found out that I was diabetic and I had to live on insulin injections for the rest of my life. I am almost 69 now, and I have been taking insulin injections for the last almost 53 years, 3 times a day. Would you call that a bad time? Would you say that I've been through bad times? Yes, I've been through bad times for almost 53 years. But I feel it has definitely made me a better person, because I've learned, one, to eat the proper kind of food. I've learned, one, that I must exercise every day. I've learned, one, that I must avoid doing this, I must avoid eating sweets, I must avoid all kinds of activities which could lead people to become unhealthy or could lead people to become sick. I find that the bad times I've gone through have made me a much better person, because it has made me more disciplined. It has made me very effective when handling health problems. It has made me very optimistic. It has changed my attitude totally. It has made me feel that if one can act in a disciplined manner, one can definitely learn from bad things, one can definitely learn from bad times, and I can feel that if you have gone through bad times, you will be able to face anything in life. And I think I can face anything in life now, since I'm standing in front of you as a Toastmaster. Over to you.
Contestant number 6.
Yeah, my customer is 60 seconds.
Yes.
I have prepared a wonderful speech. And if only I had got the right topic, I'm sure I'd have delivered a beautiful prepared speech today. But I came here, I'm told I have to speak impromptu. Bad times make people better. Standing here, trying to think of something to speak about, makes me think hard, and that makes me better. Bad times are those when you feel that you cannot do anything more, that you are out, that there's nowhere else you can go, that things cannot get any worse than this. And it is at those moments when life really teaches you her most wonderful lessons. Life has a lot of lessons to teach, and these lessons are learned only through experience. What is birth, O Lord, I asked. God said, be born and find out. What is death, O Lord, I asked. God said, die and find out. What is married bliss, O Lord, I asked. Get married and find out. God said, if everything is known by experience, if everything by experience known, oh God, why you? God came here and said in my ear, experience am I. Friends, those moments when we are most battered by life, absolutely not aware of what to do, it is in those moments, my dear friends, that we can actually experience the presence of courage in us, of those limitless resources that we have in our own hands, with which we can craft our own life. I too have had such moments in my life when I have had to take those toughest decisions of my life, and I found that every time life gave me such a disaster, it has made me better. That which cannot kill you will strengthen you. That which cannot kill you will strengthen you. And in that spirit, let us go towards anything in life with the whole concept. If I win, it's great. If I lose, I learned. Over to you, Madam Contestmaster.
Thank you, Contestant Master, fellow Toastmasters, and distinguished guests. I really believe in this fact. Bad times really gives you lot of opportunity, lot of things through which you can survive better way. If you, for me also, lot of time I have faced so many challenges. One among them, when I had struggle for getting my passport, it was something like they were asking me, like you are not having anything with yourself. Because when I came here, I was not having anything with me regarding this. I was having only passport, bank account passport. So they were questioning me, what is the proof you are having that you are Indian and your nationality is Indian? So I was not having any proof to show them, no driving license, nothing. So they were telling that you should have some proof and all, so that I will make sure that you are Indian. So I started. I went. So I asked what I can generate for you and all. Then they said that you should have voter ID card or something else. So that time I was not able to produce voter ID card because I came from my native place and I was not able to generate that voter ID card in front of them. Then struggling. Then one person only helped me and he said that you just go to court and just generate one kind of statement proof from their notification that you are Indian and you will get it. And when I submitted, then after that they were not giving me a proper clear-cut picture that whether I'll be getting my passport or not. But finally I became so defected. So finally I decided I should go in some another way to get my passport. So I came to know about RTI, Right to Information Act, and I was heard that this is a good forum through which whatever government kind of problem is coming, you can work towards it. So I just went through this approach, and I finally, within 10 days, I got my passport back. So I realized that this is the way. You should not give up at any time. You should just go ahead and you should work. You will get it. Thank you.
Bad times can make me better. Obviously, bad times are the testing times. That reminds me of the time when I happened to read the Harbhajan Singh's recent statement. He just came back from Australia after a very conquering tour. He was very much involved. He was almost hub of the whole issue. Like having been or having got involved into unnecessary debates, either with Ponting or with the monkey man, Andrew Simons. In fact, he has passed through literally a bad time. In fact, he was given that the charge of the ban for 3 one-day internationals. Then the BCCA protested. They said we will give them the best legal support, expert legal support. Then the New Zealand judge was brought in. Then he intervened. Then Harbhajan Singh was relieved of the charges. So having gone through this bad time, which made him better, that he says now, yes, we have given back the Australians as aggressively as they do it. So when we pass through such bad times, definitely we are able to see the better times. So if I apply this theory on me, yes, I have also passed through very bad times. Today I am able to stand before you, number one, able to speak efficiently, effectively, elegantly, because I have literally gone through those bad times. If I recall my first college speech contest, I literally ran away from that. That was a bad time which has brought me to the better time of what I am standing today.